This is it, the holy grail of G-bodies, 1987 Buick GNX. This is hands down why the GM G-body platform is the best car platform. Only 547 were produced, and this one is number 62. These cars are six figures all day. What other car platform coming like this? Especially none from the Malaise era. Buick wanted to send the Grand National out with a bang, and they nailed it with the GNX. They teamed up with ASC McLaren Performance Technologies, and they went through and they upgraded just about everything. She has an upgraded turbo, intercooler, transmission, suspension. This is a car that you don't customize at all. You don't even put a CD player in it. If she was mine, I definitely wouldn't repaint it. I'll leave it just how she is. Rumor has it that most execs got one of them, and only the flagship Buick dealers got one. Fastest production car of its time. Yes, it even beat out the Corvette. That's why GM underrated it. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. And check out the special rear end housing and special torque arm, only found on the GNX. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Deck lid is in good shape. She still has the factory RPO code sticker. I insert a picture so y'all can check it out. Trunk nice and clean. Interior is absolutely beautiful, and she has all the options: power windows, power locks. She got the special Stewart Warner gauge cluster, only found on the GNX. The dash plaque. She got power bucket seats. Console. Headliner good. Guys, I'm sitting in a GNX right now. This is absolutely amazing. As y'all can see, mileage reads a little over 15,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat is in excellent condition. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is, the infamous turbocharged 3.8 liter with upgraded turbo, intercooler. They really went through and gave her all the bells and whistles. She has the Power Master brake system, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. G-Body guys, you ain't gonna wanna miss out on this one. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.